I have so many women that book calls with me that are really upset that they have not been able to find healthy romantic love. They have created this fantasy in their head, mostly based on society's conditioning, that they're going to get a healthy romantic partner, that they're entitled to it. But in actuality, I have to spend time deprogramming that fantasy. And they're suffering because they're disappointed that they're not experiencing this fantasy that they had in their mind. And I remind them that they're not failing, they're just filtering better. So I asked ChatGPT to pull from studies that let us know how many people are securely attached individuals and how many aren't. And it gave me the statistical probability of a securely attached woman finding love at different age brackets versus an insecurely attached woman finding love at different age brackets. So let's dive in. If you're in your 20s and you're a securely attached woman who was raised probably by securely attached parents and had a great example to them of healthy relationship skills, your probability of finding a good partner is 50 to 60%. However, if you're an insecurely attached woman in your 20s and you've had trauma, maybe complex PTSD, and you never learned healthy relationship skills, your probability of finding a healthy partner is only 20 to 30%. If you're in your 30s and you're a securely attached woman, your probability of finding love is 45 to 55%. And if you're in your 30s and you have insecure attachment style, your probability of finding love is 15 to 25%. If you're in your 40s and you are a securely attached woman, your probability of finding love is 40 to 50% chance. And if you have an insecure attachment style, it's a 10 to 20% chance. If you're in your 50s and you have a secure attachment style, your probability of finding love is a 35 to 45% chance. And if you have an insecure attachment style, it goes down to 10 to 15% chance. And if you're in your 60s, the probability of you finding love being securely attached is 30 to 40%, but insecurely attached, it goes down to 5 to 10% chance. Look, finding a partner is not that challenging, but finding one that's healthy, secure, and emotionally safe, that's the rare thing. Because it's not just about attraction and availability. All the stars have to align. You have to both be single, attracted to one another in the right time, at the right place, compatible in your life goals and values, emotionally available, mature enough to handle conflict. That's more of a miracle than an expectation we should have. Definitely not a fantasy we should have. So I always recommend just working on yourself, making sure that you are a securely attached person, which will then help all of your other relationships that you have, including the one to yourself. So it's not really about being at the right place at the right time as much as it is being the right person when the opportunity presents itself to you.